guys, we are just now getting back to the Aria, and this is gonna be my first time seeing our room. Thank you, babe. Thank you, babe. All right, baby, gotta lead us, cause I don't know where we at. Y'all, I am so tired. I got y'all jiggling everywhere. We're on the 24th floor.
The last floor on this side.
We're in a penthouse. Stay Well premiere. Okay. Oh, we're right here, y'all. 24276. Our first time seeing it. Okay. I'm gonna stay right here. We're gonna stay right here, y'all. Y'all like my deep husky voice? I've been going hard in the paint. Okay, y'all, we coming from the Cosmopolitan to this one at the Aria. They didn't have an upgraded room, so this is our room. They told us to check back tomorrow, but Jay's like, shoot, don't nobody feel like moving again. That takes time out of our life. Like, how good can a room be? I don't know. I get to come in now? Okay. Are you cleaning up? Okay. So we have this welcome area.
And we got the hers.
Ooh.
His.
Ooh.
Got some drawers.
Ooh. And I see we have controllers right there. And then we turn over here. We got the door with the pocket door to clock the bathroom. We got the 2 sink action. Plenty of lighting. There I go, there I go, there I go. We got the water closet with the frosted door. Ain't nobody a fan of them frosted doors, but okay. Because look how you can see. Look at me. Look at y'all looking at me sitting on the toilet. Oh, this is a Japanese shower, babe. This is a Japanese shower. The Japanese tub is a room. So it's like the tub is in there with the shower. So see, we got the tub, and then there's the shower. And the shower has that Stay Well thing on it to soften the water. But that thing looking empty, honestly. That thing look empty. But that's what that is. But yeah, so this is a Japanese bath. Yeah. Yeah, the other one was like a whole room. Okay. Now let's continue our tour. We have plenty of mirrors to check out the fit. Check out the fit. Okay, there's the his. His is over here. All right, it's not bad. It's not bad. It's cute, babe. Especially the fact that, y'all, this is free 99 comp. We ain't got to pay resort fees or nothing because we're gold status. Oh, look at the window. Oh, he hit that button on your ass. Oh, that is gorgeous. Y'all think baby gonna let me sleep with the blinds open? He be putting his mask on anyway. That is gorge. Look at that. that. Look at the seats. You got the one seat facing the room, the other seat facing the view. Oh, I love that. I'm gonna take a picture of you.
The world is ours.
Look at that, guys. I'm gonna have to put y'all up against the glass. This is cute. Now imagine if we were upgraded. If this isn't even an upgraded room, can you imagine an upgraded room? Oh, it's still like you can see the shadow of the room behind us. Sorry, guys.
You gotta place it around.
I did, and it's like you can still see it. Yeah. So you're not getting like the best view, but you get the point because you can see like the tip of this glass. You can kind of see. This is gorgeous. I love it. I like it, babe. See how you look at me. Look how you see me. Yeah. Y'all, we just thought about it. If we turn the lights off in the room, you can actually see. Look at this. This is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. Love how that entire wall is a window. We in the bed.
I can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been